You can do a middle part.
It the way you want it to go. Do you want a part?
It don't really matter, Mama. Like, I really don't care.
But you don't seem to mind. Baby, you're so different. Cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say. Cause it's so new. But you've been so patient, and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just I still can't believe that you wanna be with me. Wish I could find the words to explain just how I feel. Convince myself it's real.
So I think what I'm gonna do is just take a pin and then just pin those down in the back. So it's the next day, of course, and I had started taking these down. I'm like, oh I ain't recorded like I said I was. Gotta get used to this. But anyway, so I was taking down the ends because they're the most hardest. What I would suggest is, if you're gonna braid down to the ends, once you get about to a certain point, go ahead and start twisting it, maybe, so it won't be so hard to take them down. But let me go ahead and finish taking these down, and I'll be back. All right, so I pretty much got all the braids untied or unbraided. I don't know how this is about to go. I think I'm gonna try to take this rubber band I got right here and see if I can do, you know how they be having like the little, I guess, reverse ponytails. I don't know what they call it. I hate doing my hair, so I got Sisterlocks. But anyway, I'm gonna see if I can take this rubber band and try to make something out of this. So I'll be back. All right, so this was what I was able to come up with. I pretty much just took the braids down probably about to right here on my head. Probably could have went back a little bit further, and then I just took the rubber band and pinned it up and just brought some sides down. So I guess like a little afro puff ponytail, and the back, I don't know if you can see the back, but let's see. My first little style video. It's not much because, like I said, I don't know how to do hair, so this is what we came up with. All right, see y'all later. Peace. Whispering right now on the couch with my mom looking, and she don't want to be on camera. She laughing. All right, let me go and get off of here. It's my hair. Alright, it is family movie time. Got my blanket and piece of color. We'll be back to watch a movie. I don't know what we can watch, but we can watch something. I'll be back later.
What's this we watching? What's this we watching?
Is I'm scared?
They doing it. Yeah, thank the Lord. I
don't know what we watching. Fatal Affair. We'll be watching, so we'll be back in a minute.
That means somebody gonna die.
I remember this movie now. This is the one with and Tay Diggs.
See that? Fatal. That means somebody
maybe more interesting with the family, but this movie wasn't all that. It was rushed at the end, so let's watch it with the family and see how it's gonna turn out, how I'm feel about it, and how they do it. So we'll be back. Watch the movie with the family.
It's got the cold sit out there.
Mine is rain.
Oh, Linda, she was
thank you.
but don't you put your hands on it. He gonna grab. Now you better let bug out go.
That was a mediocre movie, especially for the caliber of actors that was in that movie. It was just like, But I already seen it, so I already knew what to expect. But it was definitely a different experience watching it with family, as it always is. When you watch a movie with family or friends, it can always, you know, turn out different because you get everybody else's reaction. You know, I just want to come in and tell y'all what I thought about that movie. And I'm about to head home in a second and unwind. And I will see you all tomorrow. Peace. When I'm blessed with your presence, stimulate my mental and my physical as you speak pleasure into my existence.